NASA's Astrobiology Science and Technology Instrument Development Program are designing algorithms and instruments that could help future robotic missions make their own decisions about surface sites to explore other planets. The instrument is called the TexCam, which is currently being tested with Mars in mind. The technology will improve the efficiency of planetary missions, allowing rovers to collect more data and perform more experiments in less time. The TexCam will be able to pick out geologically interesting rocks all by itself. It works by classifying pixels in an image to identify variations in the texture of rocks. NASA is designing and building capabilities to send humans farther into the solar system than ever before, including to an asteroid and Mars. For this journey to Mars, NASA is developing the most advanced rocket and spacecraft ever designed. NASA's Orion spacecraft will carry 4 astronauts to missions beyond the moon.
According to a team of planetary scientists led by Dr. Patrick Peplowski of the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, planet Mercury's mysterious darkness results from mixing of the ancient graphite-rich crust with overlying volcanic materials. This colorful view of Mercury was produced by using images from the color-based map imaging campaign during Messenger's primary mission. Huge canyons run vertically across the polar area part of Pluto. Widest canyon is 45 miles wide and runs close to Pluto's North Pole.
Building the ISS helped us in many ways. There were direct connotation for counterparts on Earth, specifically with medical research, physical science, curing diseases, and developing new materials. With the shuttle, we've seen physiological changes in bones and eyes, pressure on your spinal cord, and a lot of different things that we never would have known. But because of the ISS, we can test on crews safely instead of on Mars for months.
Scientists are planning on creating a nuclear thermal propulsion rocket to be able to send astronauts to the moon. The idea was created by Wernher von Braun in 2004. The first NTR was built and ground tested. The idea, however, was defunded by the Obama administration, but if it was funded again, we would probably see NTRs to be used in space and travel to planets. NASA plans on having at least 4 robotic missions that will orbit the moon. These robots will be used to make global maps of the moon and will also map mysterious polar regions of the moon unknown to man. NASA's goal for the future is to send people to the moon to learn ways to work and live on another planet. NASA also plans to study the moon's craters and impact sites to try to learn more about planetary origin and evolution. There's a mission being planned to send people to Mars. It's called Mars One. It's funded by a private organization in the Netherlands. Their goal is to send an unmanned mission to Mars in 2020 and a manned mission on 2016. The ultimate goal is to grow a human civilization on Mars.